Guess the movie. No, wait, sorry, the name just showed up. These Hi you guys, I'm so happy you're here. My name is Rian. Welcome back to my channel. I took a little break from vlogging today. The first half, all of today, I have not picked up my vlog camera. I just feel like my screen time is going mad. I've woken up with such a bad headache that I have been complaining about. But anyway, I get a lot of headaches, and with all the editing, I'm getting terrible migraines. I have decided to go down for a walk because the whole first week of Jan and like the last 10 or 15 days of December, I have not worked out at all. And I was going to the gym like twice a week, maybe a walk once a week with like a friend, but that lasted a few weeks and it's been getting really hard to like make time in my schedule. So I want to go down, take a nice walk for a bit. The weather, as I have been saying again, is great. Like, I just feel like it's the perfect weather to walk in. Otherwise, it is so hot in Bombay. I'm gonna listen to a podcast, maybe some music, and just enjoy my walk. And then I'm gonna come back, take in everything, shower. Maybe not wash my hair actually because it's looking really pretty. But I'm gonna take like a nice hot shower and meet my friends tonight. Mals is leaving soon, only a few more days for her to leave, so we need to maximize time with her. Saksh also went for a trip for New Year's Eve, so she is back and we are going to finally meet her again. That's the plan for the rest of the evening. Let's go for a walk. I'm gonna vlog from my phone because I don't want to carry my camera. Okay, see you. I have showered, finished my walk, did like 5k steps, not bad. I'm not a 10k step girly, but at least I walked and I feel so good. My head is still hurting, that's why the band, ignore it, but I'm gonna eat dinner. Let me show you what we're eating. Some green peas, it's so good in this weather. Yeah, it's seasonal. Tandoori chicken. This headband is like a compression band. Feels like my head is constantly being pressed, which is a great feeling when your head is hurting. Some noodles packed with veggies, so balanced. How is that cheap? That's 2 cookies for 600 rupees. 1 cookie is 300 rupees. How is that cheap? It's like 60. But you're paying in rupees, you're not paying in euros. Sis has gone to Bombay and forgot what money is.
6 euros for 2 cookies sounds like a normal.
Isn't that expensive? Like correct?
Yeah. No, it is.
And then I'm ordering ice cream here for 900 rupees. So
But then
both are expensive.
Why are you getting ice cream for 900 when we can get the pack of 5?
This is
500 grams of natural Chocobite for half the price.
You want
Less
natural
than.
or you want Odo?
You can look. I want both. Guys, even though Ria's an influencer, she hella chindi.
Yeah, obviously.
Chindi for real.
She's like 300 rupees for 1 cookie is cheap.
No, you're right.
1 second, keep that in your cart. Let me check naturals.
Okay,
Arey, naturals is opposite. We can just go and get it. You want to go for a walk?
Come now.
Come.
Should we tell Saksh to pick it up? Cool. Okay.
Oh shit! 50 rupees off.
Yeah.
Yay!
I'm not getting any coupon.
Oh shit, Malu, so sad. They didn't miss you even though I've been here all along and you haven't been here.
No, so rude this is.
But I love this tree. I want to keep it forever.
Keep it.
What?
Who's telling you it can't be Christmas? Christmas is a state of mind.
Yay, let's go! Saksh is back! Saksh, when you said you left, you were still at home.
Yeah.
You forgot I have your Find My.
Oh shit, she has my location. Cookie.
Yeah,
One more in the box.
And we got 3. It's
Yeah.
that's crazy.
Life is so good sometimes.
Life is amazing
like, it
to
really
us.
rewards you.
Oh my god, this is the orange chocolate one and I actually really like this one. This is the hazelnut line and that's
This
the
is
s'mores.
s'mores.
This is what we got and this is the
Orange
orange
chocolate.
one.
Yeah. I can't believe you haven't had Odo. No, we've never ordered.
literally- This is the first time
Guys,
we
I have a
ordered
very healthy family, so that's why it's so nice to like come here and like eat with them. It's the one time I get to do all this.
You know how much?
Eat all the bad stuff.
Thank you, Malu.
Guys, we are watching. Oh shit. Actually, guess the movie. No, wait, sorry, the name just showed up.
So lame.
We
thought
are.
she was doing something.
Yeah, I was like, that would be
She
so.
was being cool.
But then the name came in the corner. We're watching Ladies vs. Ricky Bell rerun. Malu, come on this side. How will you watch? And Saksha's got us this activity to do, which is like for the new year and to like help us improve as human beings.
Ow!
I thought I did something.
No, but I'm still so sorry.
Are you okay?
Oh.
Do you want
I need
some ice?
to fart really bad. Stop how to listen to my fart.
I can turn it off.
Fart on.
I can bleep it.
Do I want to move away for this?
Oh my god, it was
I can
silent
bleep
for
it.
once.
Oh, shit, if it's silent, that means it's smelly.
Bro, it's gonna be hella stinky.
Guys,
Yeah,
we
it's gonna
just had
stink.
3 fat-ass cookies, bro.
And some ice cream.
Did you blow the cookies?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, good job.
No, she didn't.
I did.
Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do is, this is an activity. So,
Look
purple
at our
is
colourful
for-
paper.
Yeah. So, blue is Ria's paper, purple is Mal's, and pink is mine.
Yes.
And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna write things for each other. Like, so we have 9 envelopes, which we're gonna put each letter in.
Tell them the list.
Yeah.
Okay.
Read it out to them.
Hold on, guys. So, the first one is one thing that we should change in the coming year, and we're writing this for each other. So, I'll write what Ria will change and Saksh will change, and
Correct.
More
whatever.
than will change what we should change.
What we should
Yeah, correct. Something to add to your life for the new year. Something you should continue for the new year that you've done in the
So
last
far.
year.
Yeah.
Advice for the new year, and something that you're most proud of, the other two that they did in 2025.
It's basically just so that we can be our best selves in this upcoming year, because I feel like they know me the best. So they
Yeah, we can do it for
identify.
each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, it shouldn't be.
And also, if they tell me to change something, I won't take it personally. You know what I mean? Like, I won't take it personally if you'll tell me. Even if it's my
If
most
I tell you to stop farting less.
that's something that's
Stop
out of my
farting less or
control.
start farting less.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. But like,
You wanted to fart more.
guys, that's out of my control now, though.
Yeah,
That's
Yeah,
a
yeah,
natural
yeah.
phenomenon.
Got
I
problems.
could do it in a more
Discreet manner.
discreet manner. Also, we're watching Ladies versus Rex.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, ladies, man, who are that say much food?
But like, how do you think with this on in the BG?
Yeah, that's also true.
Like, I really need to think about this.
Okay, let's put some subtle music for now.
And then we can switch
And
once
then we
we're
can
done.
switch once
Yeah,
we're done.
cool. Mal's is done with Sakshi's and she is currently writing mine. I am also done with Sakshi's and I'm just about to start Mal's.
the backside, you will know.
Yeah, I wrote on the back side also. I wrote a lot, guys. And then Saksh is.
She's been scrolling on Instagram.
Yeah.
Instead of
She's chilling. Yeah.
finishing. Guys.
Two answers down.
I wrote a lot.
This is an assignment Saksh gave us.
Yeah.
She came and she's like, I have an activity for us to do. And she's dipped, bro. She's not doing it.
We have diligently done it.
No, guys.
Ria will have one letter. I'll have
One letter.
Struggling. Like, I love them. I don't want anything. I don't want them to change anything.
Just shut up. Just
Bullshit.
keep quiet. Yeah. Bullshit drama.
I struggled to write one of Mallory's answers. Now that's Ria. Wait, how do I flip the camera?
Guys, for Mallory, it's not there only. This answer doesn't exist.
This is really hard. But
It's
then
really hard.
it gets easier. Wait, guys, I want to show you what I wrote. I show them. I'll come back. I can't read it out loud because the woman of the hour sat right next to me. Give a dhumka.
Dhumka no thumka.
Dhumka.
No struggle. And then I haven't written anything.
She gave up when she started the assignment and she was regretting it. She's like, why the fuck?
That's
did
because I
do this?
started with Mallory's first.
Yeah, you should start with mine.
Yeah, then I would have been fine.
I don't know why Mallu's were so tough. It's not a mean thing. Guys, basically, like in this, we need to like write stuff that the other person needs to work on, get better at, stuff like that. And if we can't think of anything for Mallory, it's a good thing because that means she's basically perfect.
Relax.
To Ria. Guys, we're reading the notes we wrote to each other. Now, this is not part of the vlog. Okay. Guys, we're all reading like one answer at the time, and if you all can't tell, I am sobbing. Why am I always the first to cry? Like, Saksh could have easily cried in this situation. She's such a crier. But I'm still crying first. They've literally written exactly what I needed to hear.
In my soul.
It's like all the
feels
things
real.
that like you need to hear or someone needs to tell you, but you can't tell yourself.
Yeah.
But you know, not just like saying it to you because you need to hear it, but saying it to you with love.
Yeah.
Like saying
From
it
a
to
good
you-
place.
Yeah. Maybe go on a few tracks or start a random sport like tennis. What the fuck? It'll be a really fun way to have something to look forward to. Wait, we just spoke. I need to add. What? But we'll come back to this. I'm really struggling. I was really struggling. I won't let you down.
I cannot imagine you playing tennis. Please don't play tennis.
I just not played badminton for so long. Come on.
Yeah, and throw ball and all of that.
That was too cute.
That was so nice.
Wait, guys, this is why it took me so long to write it.
Even I'm crying and it wasn't even about me. It was about Maru. That's mad. Hello, what's up? I am leaving at the moment. I just had dinner at my nanny's house. It is the next day and last night was so wholesome, you guys. We literally wrapped up at like 4 in the morning, which is quite unlike us. Like when it's the 3 of us hanging. Piche hai? Okay. We usually know that we want to be in bed by like 1:30 a.m. max, but last night was just so wholesome, so much fun. I'm going to come back and talk to you about it properly. But for now, I am going to meet Kanch and Sahil, I think she's with him. And she's going on a trip. So I'm not going to see her for a bit. Is this the car? No. Okay, yeah, I'm filling fuel now, so I can talk. But, hold on. Huh. Yeah, so we are going to grab ice cream at this place called Odo. We actually wanted to eat ice cream from Odo yesterday, but it was so expensive that we just didn't order it. And coincidentally, Kanchi called and she was like, let's go to Odo. And I was like, yeah, I'm so down for that. At Odo with Kanch and Sahu.
Hello, almost daily vlogs.
Yeah, are you watching, Sahil?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Bullshit.
I saw one.
Oh, you saw one? Yeah, she saw.
Yeah.
It's too crowded, bro, inside.
It's right here.
Fun! Guys, you know, people were getting pissed at me in the comments because they're like, there's Kanchi. Why aren't you
I'm
eating
there in
Kanchi?
the almost daily, but
Bro,
I don't
that's
know,
why.
it's not
up
uploaded
yet. Yeah.
Now
yeah.
it is.
We ditched Odo because, yeah, the line was too much. Like, there were too many people. Now we are at the strawberry menu, Sahil's favorite fruit ever.
I love it.
That looks fire. Or is it strawberry rasgulla tiramisu?
Christina and Bob tell the chief. The reaction. Christina's waiting there. I didn't watch again. That
Episode ended. How is Grace? Crazy, na? Everyone watch Grace.
Arey, it's a tripod, so it
But
won't.
you're doing it,
It won't move. It's a gimbal.
everyone go watch Grey's Anatomy.
We've already said it 100 times.
What is up, you guys? It is the next day. This vlog has gone on for way too long, by the way. But finally, we are gonna chat about the fun activity that my friends and I did the other night. I'm gonna make some coffee, obviously, while doing it. I just want to say before I start talking about this activity has literally changed my life and like my whole perspective to the entire year. Basically, my friends and I did not want to make vision boards together because they knew that this year I wasn't interested. So Saksh came with a different activity. Wait, oh my god, they're calling. Now the hack is to do it with people that you are really close to. Whoever you are doing this activity with, they should know you really well. And you should also know them really well to be able to speak about them enough. And I feel like because Saksh and Miles know me so well, this was like a FADU activity. So basically there were 5 questions. I think we already explained this. And each of us answered those, but we answered them for the other person. I feel like when we talk to ourselves, we always tend to be overly critical. We also don't tend to give ourselves enough credit for what we have already achieved. Or sometimes we also don't know the right way to achieve what we want to. Someone on the outside that really loves you can really help you out with that. So I feel like we all gave each other a lot of clarity by answering those questions. So what we did is, we wrote down 5 questions, we put it on our group on WhatsApp, we kept all of our phones open on the table, and then we literally just sat and wrote down letters to each other. So wholesome, number one, because you really realize how much you love your friends, how much they love you, how well you guys know each other, and the way they notice things about you that you don't in yourself, the way they give you credit for things that you don't give yourself credit for. So yeah, that's it. It was so much fun. I need to make coffee. I literally didn't make any coffee. Well, okay, I guess I'll make the coffee off camera, but I hope you enjoyed. I really wanted to share this with you because I was literally in tears reading like what Malls and Saksh had to say, and I'm sure that if you all have even one childhood best friend or like any one person you can count on in life, honestly, even if it's your mom, but I feel like that advice could be a little biased, but I feel like any person, a sibling, anyone in life that you could do this with, 200% recommend you doing it. It's genuinely crazy because I still feel like it's the first day of the year and we're literally already halfway through Jan. Insanity. I feel like just in a blink of an eye another year is gonna pass by. So wow, what a rhyme. But yeah, anyway, like I feel like we should all start doing our best, working towards our goals, and maybe not start but continue working towards our goals, and yeah, just be happy. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you very soon.